Here's how you can use Lumin in Google Classroom as a teacher. In Google, click the bento menu and go to Google Classroom. Select your class and then click Classwork. Select the work issued and then click Review Work. All of the submitted work will be presented, and to mark them using Lumin, click this button. Now, you need to allow Lumin permission to connect with your Google Drive account to start marking the work. By doing this, the auto-sync function is turned on by default. So, any annotations made onto the work in Lumin is synced back to the original file in Drive. When you're finished marking in Lumin, go back to Google Classroom and return the work to the student. And there you go. That's how you can use Lumin and Google Classroom as a teacher.